First, dab some purple onto the free edge of the nails. We're gonna make this as the base color. Then, dab some of the lilac polish on top of the purple to make it pastel. Then, dab some of the cream polish on the nail line to create a smooth ombre transition. I'm going to create a pink pastel for the middle finger and use the same method. For top coat, I'm going to use Sally Hansen Instant Dry. To create the glitter dots, I'm going to use this gorgeous glitter polish by Sally Hansen in the shade Disco Ball. I'm using the dotting tool I got from Daiso, and of course it's so cheap. It's only $2.95. It has two ends, it's got a smaller end and a bigger ends, and for today I'm gonna use the smaller ends. I'm going to create the dots only on the purple nails. You can create any dot pattern you like, but here I'm just going to make a pyramid pattern. I think this is a good replacement for rhinestones. It has the texture and it shines like rhinestones. You don't need to use a dotting tool, you can even use a pen or a toothpick. The last step is to top coat and let them dry completely. Here's the final look. Hope you guys like it, and thank you so much for watching.